Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail display name. This is the name your customers see when you email them. If it's misspelled, outdated, or unprofessional, fixing it only takes a minute. Before we jump in, quick reminder, you can change your display name, but you can't change your actual Gmail address. This is just the name people see in their inbox. All right, let's get started. First, make sure you're signed in to Gmail on your computer. Next, in the top right corner, click the settings icon. Then, choose See All Settings. Next, look for Accounts and Import tab. Then, look for the section that says Send Mail As. This is where your current name appears. Click Edit Info on the right. A small window will pop up which shows the name Gmail is currently using. If you want to change your name to your business name, your full name, or whatever you want customers to see, click the circle next to the blank field and enter in your new display name. Then click Save Changes, and that's it. This is what customers will see. Your emails will now show your preferred name, which helps your business look consistent and professional. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe for more Google Workspace tutorials, specifically designed for small business owners. See you in the next one.